It's really surprising. How to fold a paper airplane and throw it back to you. Maybe up until now, you've been making paper airplanes the wrong way. In this video, I will guide you on how to fold a paper airplane and how to play with it so that it flies back to you. Please share the video with your friends and family if you find it interesting and useful. The instructions for playing are at the end of the video. Let's get started. This is the paper airplane model I'll be using this time. It's very simple and easy to make with an A4 sheet of paper, or you can cut it to A5 size. Step 1. Fold the paper in half lengthwise. Make sure to fold it evenly on both sides and press down the crease with 2 fingers like I'm doing. Step 2. Unfold the paper and fold the right side down to the center, creating a 45-degree diagonal line as shown in the picture. Do the same with the other side. You should have a triangle at the top. Make sure the triangle is balanced and flat. Step 3. Mark a point 40 mm from the bottom of the paper, as shown in the drawing. Then, fold the paper in half so that the top of the triangle aligns with the marked point. Flatten the paper. Step 4. From the middle position, fold the right wing down to create a 45-degree diagonal line. Do the same with the left wing. You should have a balanced triangle like before. Step 5. Open the 2 wings of the triangle and fold them back inwards, as shown in the video. Make sure to fold evenly on both sides. This is the key to whether the paper airplane will work or not. If the tutorial is too fast, you can pause the video to watch carefully. Step 6. Fold the triangular section in the middle up to tighten the 2 wings of the paper airplane. Step 7. Fold the top of the airplane down to the marked position and then unfold it. We fold the front part of the airplane along the previous crease. You can use the tip of a pen to extend it out and fold it downwards. Then, secure both wings inward to prevent the airplane from unfolding during flight. Step 8. Fold the paper in half again and proceed to fold the airplane wings. Step 9. The wing folds should be horizontal, starting from the nose and running parallel to the body of the airplane. Fold the other wings similarly so that they are aligned on the same line. Remember to make the wings flat, as the paper will bunch up when folded multiple times. Step 10. At the ends of the wings, fold a 10mm section to create airflow channels. Make sure to fold evenly on both sides of the wings. This is very important. Now, unfold the airplane and we're almost done. The final step is to use your finger to bend the tail section at the marked position. A complete paper airplane is now ready. Make sure to fold and press the paper flat for optimal performance. Here are the instructions for throwing the airplane and how to play. Rule 1. Always throw the airplane at an angle of 20-30 degrees from the horizontal plane. Don't throw it straight up, as it won't fly back to you. Rule 2. The direction of the throw should be slightly to the left or right. Don't throw the airplane straight ahead. Now you have a complete paper airplane. Please leave a comment below if you're successful. Good luck!